Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to remove a linear drain cover. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. This right here is the linear drain cover in my ensuite bathroom. And this is just one example of the many different types of linear drain covers that you can encounter. Now, some of them have gaps around all of the sides, and some of them are going to be like this right here, where they just have a gap along the top and the bottom, and on the outside edges here, there's no gap at all. Now, they're really easy to remove, and most of the time, all that you have to do is get a tool like this, which likely will have come with your linear drain. But if you don't have this tool, you can use anything that will fit in here. Anything that's small enough that has sort of like an edge on it, or a 90-degree angle, or even a hook like this, will work fine. Now, essentially, you need to get this tool or a tool just like it, and you need to manage to get it into one of these sides over here that have this gap and this opening. So I'm going to go and I'm going to place this in like this. So watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to place this in like this towards the outside over here. Is a little bit better so you can get a little bit of prying action. So I'm going to place it in sideways like this, okay? And once I get to the bottom, so I placed it in like this into the slot because I can't go like this. There's not enough space. So I place it sideways like this into the slot. Once I get to the bottom, I rotate it and then I lift it up. Okay, and when I lift it up, I'm able to remove the linear drain cover. Okay, so I'm going to place that there, and as you can see, I removed it. I don't want to scratch the tile, so I'm just going to carefully turn it around. My wife is in the next room and she's hearing this, so you know she might be wondering why does it sound like the tiles are being scratched. Now, essentially, all that's holding this one in place, and this is a very common style, is just these two little rubber stoppers. So these two little rubber stoppers are essentially just being wedged up against the edges here, and that's what's holding it in place. So there's nothing other than gravity and the rubber friction holding it in place. That's how to remove it. That's the inside of the linear drain right there. And you can see there's a little catch bin over here that you should be cleaning every so often, especially if you notice that it drains slowly. Make sure you clean that out. To put it back in place, I'm just going to go and I'm going to place it nicely over top of the linear drain opening. And as you can see right over here, I'm just going to go and I'm going to press it so that the, oops, sorry about that. I should be apologizing to my wife because she for sure heard that. So I'm going to press it so that the rubber stoppers are nicely in place on both sides. And that's it. Once the rubber stoppers are nicely in place, that's you're good to go. So that's how to remove your linear drain cover and how to install it once again. Really, really easy to do. Most of the time, they won't have any screws or anything like that or any set screws. They're just held in place just by gravity and the rubber stoppers. So just so you understand, most linear drain covers are going to operate in that way. That said, if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.